Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing the final cash condensing of the year. So let's start. So we have several bills I'm gonna use for exchanging. These are placeholder bills, and then we will move while we move through the binders, we'll have the real bills too. So 50s, 20s, 10s, 5s, and 1s. Okay, so I think first we're gonna exchange the big bills. I don't know how we're starting this. Okay, I know first we have to exchange travel. I think travel first. I wasn't prepared, as you can see. No, let's first do this binder. This is the easiest binder to do. This is my long-term sinking funds binder. And we'll start with babies. And babies has 100, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So 150. So we're putting all of this down. And we're grabbing a 50, a fake 50, because I keep this binder only in placeholder bills. So 150. And then car has, let's see, 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, what am I saying? 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 160. So we're putting all of these ones down and grabbing a 10. So that's 160 in car. Then emergency, I think I booped the camera, I'm sorry. So emergency has 1,000, 2,000, 2,010, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So we're putting all of this down and grabbing a 50. So 1,000, 2,000, 50. Okay. And home has, let's see, 120, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 150. So once again, I'm putting all of this down and grabbing a 50. These are all still fake bills. 150 in home. Great. Pets, let's see, for pets we have 120, 30, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 150. So once again, these I'm putting down and grabbing a 50. 150. And retirement has nothing, savings has nothing. Technology, let's see, 120, 30, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 50. So 150 once again. So 150. And I think here we also need a 50, but we don't have any more fake. Oh no, we do have. I'm gonna grab another fake 50 from my little pile that I have over here. As you can see, I was very prepared. So weddings has 120, 30, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 150 once again. So we're putting these down and grabbing a 50. We added an extra 50, so we should take out 10, 30, 40, 50. So the total amount stays the same, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. So in the end, I can count the correct amount. Okay, so that was all for this binder. It's so much thinner now. It's amazing. Okay, and let's go now with the big binder, I think, 30 for 30. This is also an envelope full of fake bills. So 30 for 30 now has 500, 700, 900, 950, 970, 990, 1000, 1000. Okay, so 1000. We can keep this and exchange it for 1000. That's this one, 1000. And then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So we're putting all of this down and grabbing a 50. So 1050 in here. Great. And then here we have real bills. We're gonna exchange that later. I think now we should do travel. Travel, let's check travel. We're gonna exchange real bills to fake bills in here. So let's see, we have 200, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 620, 40, 60, 80, 100, that's another 100. And then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. 28. So it's 828 in total. So we need to leave 3 ones, a 5, and a 20. A 20. Yes. So that's 28. And then we have to exchange all of this to 800, which is, I think, going to be 500, 200, and 100. Yes. So this is 500, 700, 800, 820, 825, 826, 7, and 8. So 828 indeed in travel. This is so much thinner now. That's great. And let me put down all of these bills. Oh my God, everything's falling. So that was a lot of ones in here. So we have real 5s and fake 5s. Somebody asked me, how do I distinguish them? You can see these are the fake ones and these are the real ones. So they do differ some, but in real life, the differences, of course, are much bigger. These are all real 10s. And then we have some 20s. We have real 20s. These are real 20s and these are fake 20s. And then we have 50s, which are real. So now we have real bills we can change, which means we can go back to our, let's start with this one, our A5, because this only has one envelope we need to condense. So credit card has 5, 10, so we're grabbing a 10 in here. Spotify has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, so we're grabbing another 10. And transport has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're leaving a 5 and grabbing a 10. So that's 15 in transport. That means we have condensed this binder now. So that's all in here. And let's do the... Let's maybe do this one. I think we only need one envelope in here. So charity is empty. Etsy has a 50. Christmas is empty. So I think the only one needing to condense is tattoos and piercings. And let's see how much we have in here. 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So we can grab a 50 here. Great. So that's it for this binder. And then let's do the Ruby Rose one. Okay, so beauty. Let's start with nails. So nails has 20, 30, 45, and I actually need a 15 for this one because I pay in intervals of 15, so I'm just gonna keep it as is. I'm not gonna condense this one. Sorry, that's not satisfying, but it's easier for me than to just exchange it again. So beauty has 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180, 190, 195, and 200. So we're grabbing, putting this all down and grabbing 2 50s. 1 and 2. So 50, 100, 150, 200. So hair has 20, 30, and 40. So we're grabbing a 20 into hair. And facials have 50 and 60. I can't condense that. And products have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. So let's do a 5. And then we grab a 50. 75 like this. So 50, 75 in products. Okay, birthdays, clothing. I don't have any more 50s though. What should I do? Okay, I'll condense as much as I can without 50s and then we'll see. So clothing has 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So I'm just going to condense as much as I can. So that's a 20 and a 10. That's 50. And fun has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. So 5, a 10, so 20, 20, 50, 60. Oh, no, I need two 20s. Sorry. Oh my God, this is so complicated. So 20, 40, 65. I think that was the correct amount. Okay, so 20, 40, 65 in winter. And then gifts, let's see. We have 50, 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 195, 200. So we'll have to make this into a 20. And this is as much as I can condense it now without 50s. Okay. And then I might need to come back to that one. We have our Johnny Cash binder. So dentist, oh yeah, this is where we're gonna get the 50s. So dentist has 50, 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 250. So I'm gonna change this all into fake bills. So let me grab out a 50 like this and put in a fake 50. Do I even have fake 50? These are all my placeholder bills. I don't even have a fake 50 anymore. Jeez, Christ. I ran out of 50s. Oh, what should I do now? Okay, so 200, and let's keep it in these bills then. Okay, so 50. Let's keep it in real bills. Okay. So 250 in health. Therapy has 200, 250, 260, 270, 275, 280, and I need to change these to fake bills as well. 280 was it? So 250, 70, 80. So this is in real bills. Physio has 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's a 50. Medicine has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 is medicine. And miscellaneous has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So we're leaving a 20 and grabbing a 50. We're grabbing a 50. So 50 and 70 in miscellaneous. Let's put this back. Okay, so that was health. This is so much thinner now. I think it was the dentist one. Definitely. So holidays is empty because it's a new envelope. Rollover is empty. Travel, I think we condensed, but let's check again. I already forgot. So 500, 700, 800, 820, 25, 28. Yes, so this is condensed as can be. And then Maldives, flights is empty. Hotels, we have 200, 300, 350, 355, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 364. So let me grab all of this. We grab a 10 and 4 ones. So 200, 300, 350, 360, 361, 2, 3, and 4. So 364 in hotels. That's great. So now we still have another 50. This is so much thinner. Wow. And let's go back to our ruby rose and we can condense something here. I think we could, let's condense clothing. We only have 150 left anyway, so we can only condense one envelope. So let's let that be clothing. Great. So that was actually all for the condensing. I do have my cash envelopes, but the buffer one I don't condense. It has 100, but I like to keep it in smaller bills. So 50, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So I will keep this in smaller bills because if I need to do some exchanging, I can using this money. So yes, that was all for the condensing. And now let's count how much we have today in our cash tray. That's a lot of ones. Once again, so many ones. But let me put this away and look at this. We need to count this now. Oh my God. Okay, so we have 200, 400, 400, plus 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 260 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 200 plus 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, and 30. So 130 plus, let's do fives and ones afterwards. So fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That was even 205. Oh shit. Minus 100. Yes, now it's correct. And now let's do ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and then we do the rest, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have a 30 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in total, we have 1,310 euros in our cash tray today. That's great. All of this will be going back to the bank. And by all of this, I mean the real bills, of course, not the fake bills. Once again, the ones have dominated the little money fan. We always have so many ones. I don't even know how my budget would look like if I hadn't implemented the €1 bills. So if you want to grab some of those for yourself, they're available on my Etsy shop. But yes, this is the money fan for today. Very beautiful. I'm taking a thumbnail right now, so that's it. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this little cash condensing. Sorry I ran out of 50s. I wasn't expecting that to happen. But yes, if you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. We have fun over here. I'll be back either tomorrow or the day after with a December budget closeout video and also setting up the January budget, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But in the meanwhile, I wish you a very wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye.